Okay, you guys, this book right here is taking me years and years and hundreds of revisions, but it's finally done. So if you want to teach your child how to read, this is the book that you're going to want. I've taught school since 1994, and over the past 26 years, I have been putting this book together because I knew the children needed it. So it's like everything you need is in this small book. You can download it, or you can get a hard copy, but I'm going to show you why it's so effective. So it starts with one letter. So all your children at this point, lesson number 1 starts with one letter. There is your objectives. There's the letter that you review with Amazing Action Alphabet Flip Chart. Here is a phonemic awareness activity. builds fluency. They're going to read it 4 times. And here's your comprehension. Then they read the story. Then you build upon it for the next letter. By lesson 3, now they have 3 letters that they know. And now they can read the word am. But to introduce that, the phonemic awareness activity is they slide A down to M. Am. And as they read it together, as they slide the 2 sounds together, they can read the word am. Am. Then they can read the story. I am happy. I am sad. So it just builds from there. By lesson 4, we finally have a sight word, the word they have to memorize by sight. And I introduce that by talking about a stoplight. When they come to the red light, they have to stop. So the word they stop, don't sound out, just say it. And it talks about that right here. Then they can read Sam at the farm and so forth. But look how fun it gets. Even by lesson 5, these are the words contained in the story. Here's your story. Now we even have a word family, at, mat, sat, and bat, because they contain those sounds in them. And then the sight words they have mastered by lesson 5 are these. Okay, then here's your comprehension. Bam is on a what? After they read the story, they can answer that question. Bam at the circle mat. Bam at the triangle mat. Look how it progresses though. By lesson, let's do one more. Okay, by lesson 10, they have this 10 sounds that they've mastered. These words are contained in the story. Now the word family is ip and it. Here's the game, the phonemic awareness game, which is super fun. There's your sight words they have mastered by that time. And then they can have this comprehension and read the story. Oh, that's fantastic. So anyway, by the time you're all done, you've created a reader in 26 lessons. So you're reading 26 lessons. You can read 1 a week or 1 every other day, just as long as they've mastered it and done every story 4 times. I mean, everything you need is in here. Everything, all the games. To make it even better, at the end of this lesson plan, I have it says for additional ideas, visit amazingactionalphabet.blogspot.com. So a lot of these games you can see me demonstrate with my students that I work with. See, I'm so good to you guys. You'll love, love, love this. After this book, there's other things that you can use. But to get your child starting reading, the very beginning stages, this is a great way to do it.